Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. What you woulda do if Jesus did heal you and then tell you, say, you know, if you tell nobody, say him heal you. Eh? What you woulda do? Talk truth. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you to do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 12 from verse 15 to verse 21. But Jesus did not say them a plan to kill him and left there so. One bag of people follow him and him get the whole of them better. But him warn them, say they mustn't tell nobody about him. That way, what Isaiah the prophet did say would have come true. See my servant here when me pick, the one who me love, the one who make me happy so till, me go give me spirit. And him go make everybody, all the people them who are not Jew, know, say God I go judge them fear. For me servant, now go a cuss or a Allah. And nobody now go hear him mouth out a treat. Just like how him would have never pop out piece of grass where everybody come tap up on. Or out one lamp where barely a light up. Him now go rough up people we weak and hurt the one them we not strong. And him a go on till he make people see say me can save them. And people who are not Jew we trust in him to save them. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.